So let's go to our Clarifai and click on our application. And let's go down and click on our adventure story. Once we're in our adventure story, we're going to type in fun with dogs in the park. And we'll click create story. And our script will begin to get created by our crew agents in the background talking back and forth, creating a story about dogs having fun in the park. Once that script is created, you can see it will turn it into a poem, and we're going to turn that poem into a story. So now we click on the next button, which takes us to a place where we can generate our story. And now we're going to generate an image and a text and an audio for each segment of the story. There you go. Dogs are having fun in the park. Now that we've generated this, we can go to our next tab. We can actually concentrate on the images and choose an image we might want another story from. You can see there's our object detection. That way our moderators can keep track of what our students are learning. There's the text that was generated. Let's look at another image. And there's a big dog watching the little dog play with a ball. That might be interesting to create a story about. So let's scroll down and click create a story. So we're going to actually branch off from this story and create our own story from this particular image. And you're going to see you're really going to get off the polytope here because it's going to take you in a totally different direction. All right, same thing. Go back on the first screen again. Let's go ahead and click generate script. It generated the script for us. Now that script is generated, we can actually go to the next page and create our story. And what you're going to notice is we're headed in a totally different direction. Our agents have discussed the dog and the ball, and they've created a totally different type of direction for us to go. Totally, really, very surprising. Off the polytope, we now have an adventure story about people in the woods, warriors, castles. This is really exciting. I mean, you just do this all day long. This generates a lot of excitement about learning. And that's what you need to do. You need to connect with the emotions of your learner to have them build their own adventures. There you go. There's the images, and now at that point, we can go to the final screen. Where we have now all our images from all the stories that we've created for our dogs. And there's our warriors. Boy, I really like this image. And it shows us all the objects in the image, gives us the text from the image. And now I might be ready to click on that and have another adventure and just branch out and see what that brings. Thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed this project. This was Mike Lively.